To easily claim GST on your flight tickets, follow these simple steps outlined in the video. Claiming GST on flight tickets is straightforward. Today, I'll demonstrate how to do it effectively. Start by searching for the flight you wish to book. Once you've found it, click on View All and then View Prices. Proceed to book the flight by clicking on the respective button. Remember, this is just an example. Ensure you follow the process accurately for your bookings. Upon redirecting to the booking page, scroll down until you find the option I have GST number. Tick this option. You'll then see two fields, one for the company name and another for the registration number. Fill in these details accurately. Adding your GST number will apply the GST to your flight ticket. And that's it. You've successfully claimed GST on your flight tickets. Hope you found this guide helpful. Enjoy your travels.